January 17th of this year, Bob over at Deep Junk Garage issued a race car challenge. The goal of this build is for Diecast community involvement, support, and channel exposure. My build is based on the Hot Wheels 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Part of the process I'm going to show here is actually the removal of the tampos. As it gets rather cold up here in the north in the winter, my painting capabilities are reduced, so this was an easy way for me to work on this car for the challenge, and I'm going to use a dry erase marker. Now, some people say they like to do this, some people don't. It works well on non-premium cars. So basically, I've got this car drilled out already, and we're just going to take it apart here and take a look at the parts and pieces. I've already taken some of the tampos off. There were flames on the roof and on the trunk lid, and obviously on the other side too. So what I've done is just prepped it, and I will show the process of removing the tampos from the driver's side of the car. What you're going to see next is a time-lapse video showing about how many passes it took for me to remove all of the tampos off this side. I did keep the little Hot Wheels logos on the rear quarters, and all I did was just mask them off just to protect them during the process. So if you count through here, there's, I think, approximately 10 passes to get the numbers off the side. If you've ever worked on one of these 55 Chevy Bel Air Gassers, you know that the interiors were all chromed out. So I've painted it white and added some teal accents. I also painted the headers white and put some burnt ends on the pipes. I replaced the plastic wheels with real riders with axle tubes. Now, builds don't always go the way you want them to, but I made a mistake by clearing over a red Sharpie, but I was able to fix it by carefully sanding it out and repainting and reapplying. Here's the finished vehicle with all of the detail work and decals done and clear coat. And here's what we started with, the 2017 HW Flames 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. I want to thank Bob over at Deep Junk Garage for putting on this challenge. It was a lot of fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy everybody's videos today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.